like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Risha and today we are going to make paper scale. So let's get started. So first we will take a 4 piece of cardboard and stick it together. Now take 2 pieces of color paper and stick it. Now here I have this Hello Kitty, so let's take this. You can stick any of your favorite cartoon. Now let's draw your number line like this way. And the scale is ready. Now let's draw a line. Wow, what a perfect line.
Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.